Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to search for legislation using Lexis+. Where do I find these legal databases on the University of Pretoria Library website? Step 1. Visit the library's website by following the URL below. Step 2. Navigate to the Libraries and Units tab and select Law from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the Law Library page, scroll down and click on Quick Links, Databases. You will see a list of subscribed legal databases available for your use to find legal materials. On the Law Library database page, scroll down until you find Lexis+. Step 1. Click on Legislation, and a preset template will appear as shown. When you have done your search using the Act name field, for example, Insolvency Act 24 of 1936, your results will look like this. Please note that Lexis+ has Legal Citator, which has the same function as legislation judicially considered found in Judistat. Congratulations, that's the end.